Have you ever wondered how to make the best moist pumpkin pie with just 5 minutes of prep time? Today I'm sharing a foolproof pumpkin bread recipe that will make your house smell amazing, and it's super easy using a bread maker. Stick around because you won't believe the secret to getting that perfect fluffy texture every time. This recipe is incredibly versatile. You can make it sweet, healthy, or even gluten-free. Want to add chocolate chips for a sweet bite or keep it simple? The choice is yours. Let me show you how. After minutes, I mean years of perfecting this, I've cracked a code to creating a moist, fluffy pumpkin bread that's easy and customizable. I've even got tips for turning this into a healthy pumpkin pie bread recipe, and trust me, you'll want to save these tricks. Here's how to make this bread in your bread maker. I'm using a Panasonic bread maker. I would recommend it. You'll need the essentials: pumpkin puree, flour, spices and sugar. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can add in optional ingredients like chocolate chips, walnuts, or even pumpkin seeds. For a healthier twist at the top, you can swap out the sugar for maple syrup or honey to make this a perfectly healthy pumpkin bread. Want a vegan version? I've got you covered. Just replace the eggs with flaxseed. Here's the kicker. Stay until the end because I'm going to reveal my secret to getting a golden, crunchy crust on your pumpkin bread. Something you can't miss if you want that bakery quality finish. Now toss everything into your bread maker. Throw it in there. Set it to the basic loaf setting. I used brioche or just basic bread, and let it work its magic. It's gonna look a little bit funny, but it does work out in the end. If you're aiming for a healthy option, you can substitute whole wheat flour for a fibre-packed, gluten-free pumpkin bread alternative. Show bread rising. And remember, you can always go the extra mile with pumpkin bread mix-ins, like chocolate chips, pecans, or even raisins, to customize this recipe just the way you like it. Want your pumpkin bread to stay moist for days? I'll show you how to store it so you can enjoy that delicious texture long after it's baked. Plus, stick around because I've got a surprise bonus tip at the end. And just a tip: how to make a decadent glaze, that's one way of calling it, that'll take this pumpkin bread to another level. Now, whether you go for a healthy pumpkin bread, add chocolate chips, or stick with the classic version, this is guaranteed to be your new go-to recipe for autumn or fall. And hey, if you're loving this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other pumpkin bread variations. I've got one with a surprise ingredient that you won't want to miss.
It's almost like a cake.
Don't stop here. I've got another video where I show you how to make pumpkin muffins and even a gluten-free pumpkin loaf. Both perfect for any fall occasion. Check it out now. I'll put a link above.
It's got a hole.